Okay, girlies, let's talk about something that can either make your school day so much easier or make you want to scream before you've even made it to your first class. Your backpack. Because tell me why you can start the school year with the cutest, cleanest, most organized backpack ever, and somehow 3 weeks later, you're digging through 47 random papers just to find one pen. There's a water bottle rolling around somewhere, your charger is tangled with your earphones, you've got old snacks at the bottom, and you're carrying around a notebook from 3 weeks ago for absolutely no reason. But this school year, we're not doing that. We're going to organize our backpacks like that girl, the girlie who always knows exactly where everything is, never has to dig around for a pen, and somehow has everything she needs without carrying her entire bedroom to school. So grab your backpack, girlies, because if it's currently looking a little questionable, this is your sign to clean it out. Let's get into it.
1. Take everything out.
First things first, girlies, empty the entire backpack. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Don't just look inside and remove the obvious stuff. Take out every notebook, every pen, every receipt, every piece of paper, every hair tie, every mysterious object that you have no idea how it got there. Put everything on your bed, your desk, or wherever you have enough space to see everything clearly. Because you can't properly organize a backpack when you don't even know what's inside it.
2. Make 3 piles. Now we're going to separate everything into 3 groups: keep, remove, and belong somewhere else. The keep pile is everything you actually need for school. The remove pile is trash, old papers, broken supplies, empty bottles, old snacks, anything that has no business being in your backpack. And the belong somewhere else pile is anything that's useful but doesn't need to live in your backpack. Maybe it's something for your bedroom, your locker, or something you only need occasionally. This little sorting step makes organizing so much easier. 3. Clean your backpack. Now that your backpack is completely empty, give it a little clean. Shake out all those crumbs, check the little pockets, wipe the inside if the material allows it, and if your backpack can be washed according to its care instructions, give it a proper clean when needed. Because girlies, we're not putting our nice, clean school supplies back into a backpack that has been collecting crumbs since last term. 4. Don't carry everything you own. This is where we need to have a little conversation. Just because something fits inside your backpack doesn't mean it needs to be there. You don't need 6 notebooks if you only need 3. You don't need every textbook you've ever been given. You don't need your entire stationery collection. And you definitely don't need random things just in case if you never actually use them. The goal is to be prepared, not overloaded. Your backpack should make your school day easier, not give you back pain.
5. Create a school supplies zone. Now let's start putting things back. I recommend keeping your everyday school supplies together. Your notebooks, folders, textbooks, planner, whatever you use every single day. Try putting the heavier books closer to the back of the backpack, especially if that's where the bag sits closest to your back. Then put lighter things around them. This keeps everything easier to manage and can make the bag feel more balanced. 6. Give your pencil case its own home. Your pencil case should have one designated place. And please don't just throw loose pens into the bottom of your backpack, because that's how you end up with ink stains, missing pens, and a backpack that looks like a stationery explosion. Keep your pens, pencils, eraser, ruler, and other small supplies inside your pencil case. And if your pencil case is overflowing with things you never use, girl, clean that out too. 7. Create a little emergency pouch. This is one of my favorite things to keep in a backpack. Get yourself a small pouch for those little just-in-case items. You can keep things like pads or liners, tissues, wet wipes, hand sanitizer, lip balm, hair ties, bandages, a small mirror, whatever personal essentials you actually use. The best part is that everything stays together, so instead of searching through your entire backpack when you need something, you already know exactly where to look.
Give your tech its own space. If you carry a phone charger, power bank, earphones, tablet, laptop, or other technology, please don't just throw everything into the same pocket. Use a small tech pouch if you can. Keep your cables together, wrap them neatly, and make sure anything fragile is protected. Because nobody wants to pull their charger out and discover that it's somehow tied into a knot that belongs in a magic show. Keep the things you use most easy to reach. This is a little organization trick that can make your life so much easier. Think about the things you reach for constantly. Maybe it's your phone, your hand sanitizer, your lip balm, your school ID, your calculator, your pens. Whatever you use frequently, put it somewhere easy to access. Don't put something you use 10 times a day into the deepest pocket of your backpack. That just creates unnecessary digging. Use your small pockets properly. Those little pockets on your backpack? Girl, use them. They're perfect for small items that would otherwise disappear into the bottom of the bag. Things like hair ties, lip balm, hand sanitizer, earphones, tissues, pens, small stationery. Just don't turn the pocket into a mini junk drawer. Even small pockets need organization. Keep your water bottle separate. If your backpack has a bottle pocket, use it. Please don't put your water bottle loose inside your backpack if you can avoid it, because one tiny leak can turn your school notes into modern art. Make sure the lid is properly closed before putting it in your bag too.
12. Create a paper system. Girlies, this one is important. Old worksheets and loose papers are one of the fastest ways to make your backpack look chaotic. Try keeping important papers in a folder. You could even have separate sections for things like homework, important documents, notes, or worksheets. The exact system doesn't matter as much as having one, because when your teacher says, "Bring that worksheet tomorrow," you don't want to start digging through a mountain of paper. And there we have it, girlies. Your backpack is officially ready to give organized, prepared, I have my life together energy. But remember, being that girl isn't about having the cutest backpack or buying the most expensive school supplies. It's about creating little systems that make your life easier. Knowing where your things are, preparing ahead, keeping your space clean, and not making your future self deal with a giant mess you could have avoided today. So if your backpack is currently looking a little chaotic, girl, take this as your sign. Go clean it out. And let me know in the comments. What's the one thing that always ends up at the bottom of your backpack? Old papers? Snacks? Pens? Hair ties? And if you're enjoying our Back to School series, make sure you subscribe to Girlies in Bloom, because we've got so many more school essentials, organization tips, study advice, hairstyles, and girly school content coming. I love you, girlies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!